Hey guys, Miss Qualchick here for today's phonics lesson. So we're going to do it like normal. We're going to review the sounds and the words from our previous sounds, and then we're going to move on to our new sound of the day. So let's first start off. If you have a pen and a piece of paper, that is fantastic. If you have a whiteboard and whiteboard pen, great. If not, you can use your finger, your magic finger, and write in the air as well. But just remember what letters you are writing as you are doing that. All right, so let's start off with our old sounds. So we're going to go through our old sounds, and I'm going to give you a second to say it, and then I'll say the sound just so we know that you're saying it correctly, okay? So let's get started. B, X, D, J, W, Z, S, Y, V, K, O, F, G, and O. Fantastic, you guys. All right, now we're going to go through them super quick. I'm not going to say any this time. You're going to do it on your own. Are we ready? We're going to mix them up a little bit. All right, we ready? Fantastic, you guys. I hope that you guys got all of those. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do a quick review of we're going to read a few words from our old sounds, and then you guys are going to write 3 of those words. Okay, so let's start. I'll do the first one to show you, and then you'll do it after. So, tax, tax. Your turn. Fantastic. All right, your turn first now. Ox, box. Win. Yes, yes. Van. Vat. And our last word, zip. Fantastic. All right, guys, now what we are going to do, I'm going to give you 3 words. We're going to use our Fred fingers to sound them out, then write them on our board, on our paper, or in the air with our magic finger. So our first word we're going to do together. So our first word is yap. Yap. So we do our Fred fingers first. Y-a-p. Y-a-p. So then we write it down. We have y-a-p. Y-a-p. Yap. Fantastic. All right, now you're going to do this independently this time. So your word is tax. Tax. So using your Fred fingers first, and then write it down on your piece of paper. All right, so we have tax. Tax. So when we write it, we have tax. If you got it right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, don't worry. We're going to continue to practice. Just fix what you've gotten wrong. All right, and one last word that we're going to write today. Let's do this one here. Our word is going to be zip. Zip. So using your Fred fingers first. All right, so we have z, ip, z, ip. So when we write it down, we have z, ip, z, ip. If you got it right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, continue to practice. Just fix what you've gotten wrong. All right, guys, really well done reviewing those old sounds and the words with those old sounds. Now we're going to move on to our new sound. Now this new sound that we have is just one sound that we've already learned, but it's double it. Okay, so our new sound is z, z, which is what we learned last time, but this time it has two of them, right? So it looks like that. So on your board, I want you to write the z with the double z on your board 3 times. So it should look something like this. Z, 1, 2, 3. So it should look like that. Fantastic, guys. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hide our new word, or our new sound, our new sound into our old sounds. And we are going to, what can we do? Oh, we're going to zip it shut. So when you see the sound, I want you to go zzz, zzz. Okay? So are we ready? B, z, but that's not our one from today. Z, fantastic. S. Oh, let me hide my z again. Sorry, guys, that was my fault. There we go. Z, fantastic. I'm gonna hide it once more. Z, fantastic, you guys. All right. So we're going to sound out 2 words today and then write those 2 words with our z sound, our double z sound. Okay, so we have j, a, z, jazz. Fantastic, your turn. Lovely. All right, now this one, you are going to read first and then I'll do it after. B, a, z, buzz. Fantastic. All right. Now I want you to write the word jazz on your piece of paper or on your whiteboard using your Fred fingers first. All right, so it should be j-a-z, jazz. So when we write it, we have j, a, and then our double z. So it should look like that. So if you got it right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, don't worry, correct it, and we're going to continue to practice. Our other word that we are going to write today is buzz. Buzz. So sound it out with your Fred fingers and then write it on your paper or on your whiteboard, please. All right, so we have b-a-z, b-a-z. So we write it b-a-z, b-a-z, buzz. If you got it right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, correct it. And no need to worry. All right, guys, the last thing we're going to do today is we are going to review our common exception words that we have learned. So we'll go through them slowly once, and then we'll go through them fast a couple times. Are we ready? My, was, are, be, oh, I was in there twice, sorry guys, we, all, and back to my. All right, so I'm going to mix them up now. And we're going to go through them a little bit quicker. Are we ready? All, my, we, be, was, are. Fantastic. All right, mix them up one more time. This is going to be super speed as quickly as we can. Are we ready? All right, let's go. Wow, fantastic, you guys. You did absolutely amazing. So that was today's phonics lesson, and tune in tomorrow for tomorrow's phonics lesson. Bye, guys.